Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 black screen issue. So let's start. For the first method, go to the Windows search bar. After that, type in settings. Make sure to open it. Now once this opens, you want to head out to this Windows update section in the left menu. After that, select check for updates or download and install updates if you do have that available. For the next method, you should go to the search and type in device manager. Now this will open, so look for display adapters, open it. After that, do not select this integrated graphics card. Select this second one, either AMD or NVIDIA. Right click, select update driver. After that, click search automatically for drivers and click on close. For the next method, you should verify the integrity of the game files. So open your launcher. After that, make sure to navigate to their settings. Next, make sure to find your game from the list and select verify integrity. You can find that from the option on the right. Upon completion, a pop-up message will appear above the system trying to restart that your game is verified and ready to play. For the next method, make sure to go to the settings menu in the game. After that, click on graphics and then scroll down to the advanced settings section and make sure the advanced settings option is set to unlocked. Next, in the graphics API section, make sure to change it to DirectX 12 by clicking on the arrow button and then press enter to apply the changes. Lastly, make sure to restart your launcher and run your game to check if it fixes the issue. If you do find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.